Imagine a skyscraper rising from the ground in just 7 days, a marvel of modern engineering, where every second counts and every detail is meticulously planned. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of construction, powered by AI. Advanced algorithms and robotics work in harmony to achieve what was once thought impossible. The 7-day AI Skyscraper project is not just about speed, it's a testament to human innovation and technological prowess. It's about efficiency, sustainability, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Using eco-friendly materials and sustainable practices, this project aims to set new standards. This ambitious project aims to revolutionize how we build, making skyscrapers faster and cheaper. By integrating cost-effective methods, it ensures that high-rise buildings are accessible to more people. It's a glimpse into a world where technology meets human ingenuity to create something extraordinary, a future where our cities grow taller and smarter thanks to the seamless blend of human creativity and cutting-edge technology.
AI is transforming the design phase of construction. Imagine an architect working alongside an AI, inputting ideas and constraints. The AI in turn generates thousands of design options in real time. These designs are not just aesthetically pleasing, they are optimized for structural integrity, material efficiency, and energy consumption. This collaboration between human creativity and AI's computational power results in buildings that are both beautiful and functional.
With the design finalized, the construction process begins. AI-powered robots and drones take center stage, working tirelessly around the clock. These robots are incredibly precise and efficient. They can lay bricks, install windows, and even weld steel beams with incredible accuracy. Drones transport materials to different floors, eliminating the need for traditional cranes. This coordinated effort, orchestrated by AI, drastically reduces construction time and minimizes human error. Section 4. Reaping the rewards. Efficiency and sustainability.